gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Ruth. If you're returning, thank you so much for your support. So I think you might have seen from the title that I'm filming a day in the life vlog. I actually have zero plans for the day, literally. And yeah, today is a Monday, first day that the kids are not at school because they closed schools on Friday. So it's just, kind of show you how it's like being at home with the kids, literally. So we'll see how it goes. It's actually very noisy now. I think they just missed playing, so they woke up very early in the morning and started playing. Like at first they were in the house, just watching like YouTube and stuff. Then they went outside. Now they're with our friends, like our neighbors. They're wearing pajamas and onesies and they're playing. It's so noisy. I can't deal. But yeah, anyway, I haven't bathed, as you can see, because it's still morning. I just woke up to try and clean the house a bit, so I did that. Now I'm gonna bath. I hope I don't look too bad. I'm gonna bath and I'm so excited to use this. My friend got me this for my birthday. Yeah, so it has different options. I'm actually excited. I've been wanting something like this, so yeah, I'll see which one to use, but I'm very excited to try this. I think I should mask my face as well. I haven't done that in a very long time. I do have a sheet mask though, so I think I'm gonna do that, and then we're gonna make something to eat. Okay, I haven't been feeling well actually, but today I think I'm doing a lot better. Yeah, I had a very terrible headache, like extremely terrible. So yeah, I don't know if I have to charge this or what. Can I hold this a bit there? Yeah, and guys, I don't know, it's actually not going on. You but I thought like a original. Oh, it uses batteries, and I think they're the ones that we use from our decoder, their TV. So let me go steal those and then I'll come back. Yeah, so I managed to put in batteries, so anyway, yeah, let me go bath, guys. Let me go bath. Okay, so it says it has I don't know if you guys can see, it has a crude polish accessory to rip the tough skin and cutting off. I don't know which one that is. I think it's this one. Yeah, this one. That's actually rough, hey? And then it has the latex soft sponge for eye cheek massaging. Yeah, but this one. And then it has a makeup sponge to massage and clean your skin. This one. And then it has a rolling massager to make better blood circumstances from skin aging. Hey, sweater choming. So I think I use this after taking a bath, and then soft brush to clear up all the scarf clings on the surface. I believe that's the one that's on here, so that's the one I'm gonna use. Yeah, let's go take a bath.
Tell me if I got it wrong, but you don't wanna be alone. Spend the evening by yourself, but you'll miss me when it's getting late. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you'll let me. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you let go, boy. Loving is a safe card. You don't have to play hard. Love and let go, boy. You don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Every time it's a blessing, and I know we can take it to the next level. If you let go.
So it's all clean and stuff, so I want to go make something to eat. So I usually have something quick, like maybe a cereal or like muesli, something, and then like later on I'm gonna have like maybe eggs with bread or something, or just bread, depending on my mood, you know. So now I'm gonna have muesli, and we'll see what we have later. Catch you on the other side.
You don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Go ahead and tell your friends. Talk it out, but it won't end. You are never true to heart. You need me when it's getting dark. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you let me. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you let go, boy. Loving is a safe card. You don't have to play hard. Love and let go, boy. You don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Every time it's a blessing, and I know we can take it to the next level. If you let go, boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. If you let go, boy, loving is.
I should tell you why I didn't bath. Because my brother was still bathing.
You have a brother?
Yeah.
That's cute.
Hi.
It's already late.
It's already late.
Yeah. And your pajama's dirty because you're playing with it.
Hey, you.
I I'm showing them
Okay.
that you're playing with your pajama. So you're gonna bath after this, right?
Okay. Oh.
You're eating muesli.
Nice.
It's nice. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, how about I'm gonna get right? Wear something warm. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I'll see you guys later after bathing. So I made fries and egg, tomato and toast with black coffee. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna have now. And yeah. Hi guys, so I just changed my outfit because I'm gonna go out with my cousin Mike and my cousin Maggie. We're just gonna look for some veggies for the house as well as patties. We wanna make burgers, but we don't have patties and we're too lazy to make the patties ourselves, honestly. So yeah, we're just gonna look for those. I'm gonna try to take pictures in this casual outfit, or I'm gonna remove the cardigan and then just take pictures in this orange crop top. I'll show you guys later, as well as the black jeggings that I'm wearing and black boots. So yeah, let's go. I think everyone is ready. They're just waiting for me. So yeah, let's go. Huh? You're my shot.
Talking about Mafia.
Because we managed to do everything we wanted to do. Potatoes were so expensive. Go square mart. No, the guy 89.95.
200.
I can't 90 pretty double 10 kg, but we managed to find them Goji West by the ladies who sell veggies. There was $60, 10 kg. So yeah, we are done. We are heading home. We managed to get we got the viral guard tablets for AO clinic, because the other pharmacies were closed, but the one here is 24 hours, in case you didn't know. So yeah, they are the plug always, and they're quite reasonable in the prices, eh? Like really reasonable. My mom, out of all the pharmacies,
They even offer discounts.
yeah, they even have discounts if you ask for it. So yeah, we are heading home. I'm so excited, guys. I can't wait to have a burger.
Then my fresh today instead of
Dude,
fries.
Sfalana's closed, guys. We wanted to get like the frozen fries, and the frozen fries, I think, are so good. They are so good and so cheap. Care for the pula for I guess like 3 kg and like 4 kg, but are quite a lot. Didn't see that I'm like didn't see that so didn't see. So yeah, but they're really nice, like extremely nice. But that's it. We usually buy them as far as what road is this?
Old about the road.
I think it's the old Vasa road, but yeah, somewhere more learning about shade world libo.
I remember traffic light that one.
Yeah. But the line niya natin yabo. How do we do that? Not men wa ka tigana mangan. More niya ba Jama trading company libo. Where that line opposite US car. This Spanner there, it sells really nice fries. But I think the other Spanners have them. I can show though, because I usually buy them in that one Spanner. But they're really nice, you guys should try them. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we're back home and making fries. My fresh, my like dark. It is what it is though.
Keep balance, right?
I know. Fries.
Keep balance. Fries and fries.
Big difference.
Yeah.
Fries and fries.
My fresh and fries. French fries. Guys, we're finally done with the burgers and my fresh. This one looks like it went through the most. Shame.
Mason.
Oh my god. Okay. So I wanna eat. I have a headache. Because my headache is back. I was feeling better like the whole day, but now it's back. Like it's really bad. I should probably go get tested for like COVID. Anyway, I'm gonna take the Baragard tablet. Do I take this with water? So. I should probably go get tested, hey? Cause this ain't it. No. Anyway, we have come to the end of the day. I'm sure you guys can tell it's night. So yeah, I just wanted to close off the vlog here. And just say thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Thank you for supporting. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, man, like, you know what? It's really difficult to like vlog or shoot content in this time. Like, it's really rough. Every single day you get on social media, there's RIP somewhere. And it's really sad and it's really hard to read about such things. I mean, I obviously have like an underlying condition that makes COVID worse. Like, so it's kind of like I always have to look over my shoulder and just wonder, like, if I'm gonna get it, like if I'm gonna be okay and stuff like that. Like, I'm trying to be positive, obviously. But like, I really think if I would take in less of social media, then it would be better. It should be very weird because then I'm gonna slack on like shooting content for you guys, like vlogging and stuff for you guys. But I really don't know, hey? It's just hard. It's just really hard. I really hope we'll get through this, hey? We will get through this. I mean, we will. We will get through this. I think it's just, we really need to get right with God. Like, if you haven't, this is the time. This is the time we need to. Because you never really know, man. Like, you never really know. Tomorrow's not promised to anybody. So, let's just try. Let's just try. Know Him while we still can. And really pray. Like, we really need to pray hard for our country. Pray for healing. Because it's not cute. What's happening is it's not okay. Like, I really feel for the families that are losing people. And I think on my side it's getting even closer. Like, now I know people on a more personal level who are actually gone because of COVID, you know. So yeah, it's real. Yeah, let me not bring this negative energy to you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. I love you so much, and please stay safe. That's what I'm gonna say. Good night.